Going to the car meet. I don't think you can see Jason, it's pretty dark.
I don't think you can see shit. Oh shit! So I was right. It's about 30 minutes away. So ready to go?
Yeah. Let's go.
All right.
Vlog status. No seatbelt status because, you know, I probably should wear one, but I don't. Representing the L Worko in his hoe, dirty face, in his bitch. Maybe he's going to a car meet. It looks like a car trailer. That is a car trailer. What is this? What? Are we in a different country? Guys, I think we're in a different country.
What the fuck? Why are they on the right side?
Why are they on the right side and we're on the left side?
We just
teleport.
Some kind of, yeah.
I got companies and pesos. I got people on my payroll. She don't do well.
This is really fucking weird. Yeah, we're almost at the car meet.
Yeah.
We're in a different fucking country. We just teleported to like Great Britain or some shit. What kind of... What the fuck?
I have no idea.
This is so... Now it get...
Oh, what the hell?
Only in America. Oh, there's the car meet. Yo, they got lights going on. Gotta turn. We at the meet, guys. Finally. Our radio station's fucked up. Let's roll down the window. That's how we go down in my city. That's how we go down. That's how we go down. So it does cost money. What up, what up?
No. You want me to park your car? You gotta back it in, bro.
Okay, here.
Do you want me to park the car? I didn't realize it costed money.
Neither did I. How much? $3, dude.
$3? Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, I kind of want to get mine on too, so here you go. It's pointing straight at your crotch.
We had the Gwinnett meet. This was not the one that I went to. The one I went to was at a Sonic.
This is? I thought this was at a Sonic.
Hell fucking no, this ain't at a Sonic. The one I went to was at
Because that's what they
Sonic.
advertise on their Facebook, is that it's at a Sonic.
He's gonna park it. When you can't bring your car to the meet, you bring the remote control car. So many fucking people here, dude. What the fuck? So many fucking people here, man. Hey. shittiest sound system. And you got subs on your roof. Yo, dig the motor, man. It's on YouTube right now.
Words.
You want to say some info about it?
It's a 1996 Honda Accord with the K24 with the TSX transmission. It's dirty as hell.
K24, man. Gotta dig it.
What kind of car you got?
02 Jetta, pushing 24 pounds.
Word.
Yeah.
Nice.
Blew the tube seals and valve cover gasket on it. Redid those, but I drove it misfiring, needing the tube seal gaskets all the way down to Panama and back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
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 Well, VWs can take a beating, man.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they can.
So what transmission did you use? TSX. TSX transmission? Yeah. You can use the Accord, but...
Yeah?
Yeah. You can use the Accord twice, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is one of those cars
Stock ride height.
and it'll just run. Nice car, man. Yeah, thanks, man.
All right, man. Nice meeting you.
All right, man.
This video should be up like next weekend. You'll be featured in it. The K swapped Accord, dude. Me, it was lit. We didn't get to check it all out. Maybe next week or the next week.
I got next Thursday off too. It's only $3.
I can get that next week. I got it next week. Oh.
Yeah.
BMW. SI. Everything. Supra status. Oh. Status. Drift car status. That dude in blue.
What's up?
Say hey to YouTube.
How you doing? Sorry, my voice is almost gone.
It's
all over the place, yeah. Well, staying up all night trying to review Horizon. That was such a bad decision.
It's fun as hell.
It's
Yeah,
so much fun. It's so she would come over and fall asleep on the couch. I'm like, I'm sorry, but I'm kind of not. Editing and everything else, traveling. I was in LA for 24 hours last week. I drove a T-Rex, three-wheel thing.
Yeah.
And the company
Those
hit
things
me
are
up.
badass, yeah.
I like your camera setup.
It's his.
I like your camera setup. Yeah.
He does all the editing for our YouTube.
You have an editor. I'm jealous.
Yeah.
I have this guy. Because when you're the only dude, you get so worn out.
I meant to ask you, like, how did that process take?
5 years. Yeah. But the main difference is you have to be different from everyone else.
When I did valve cover gasket, I literally kicked the valve cover back onto the fucking... Oh, well, this is a Jetta that runs 24 pounds, and I was kicking it.
Oh.
Yeah, it is open diff.
Oh, poor guy. Like this all the way down the road.
I got a KO4 with APR tune and stuff. I bought it like that. I've only paid $2,800 for it.
It's so bad because like once you start doing projects, you just like keep looking for more. It's like, wait, I haven't finished my other one yet.
I'm trying to build a 94 Civic in 3 weeks, and I work 60 hours a week at a tire shop. Yeah, I'm throwing a B18 in it from pull apart, and then an eBay turbo. Well, not an eBay turbo, the eBay turbo kit, because I got a turbo off an old like 90s turbo diesel Volkswagen.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. I didn't even know you lived in Atlanta until he told me like 2 weeks ago. I was like,
yeah.
He does?
Yeah, I moved here in March.
Wow.
Like streetcar takeovers tomorrow, Petite Le Mans tomorrow.
You do any vlogging tonight? No?
I got a gig with Velocity this weekend.
Oh, really?
So I'm trying to rest up for that. Do you guys have Instagram or anything?
Yeah.
Here, I'll follow you guys.
We got a page. If you could subscribe on YouTube, that would make my day.
I'll do that.
Holy fuck. Diverse Garage.
Boom.
You just subscribe. Yo, that is lit. I was gonna ask if you wanted to do like a help me out, not help me out, but maybe do like a collaboration.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, because on the drift car stuff, I'm gonna basically take any help I can get. What people don't know is like, well, they do know, they don't pay attention to that stuff. I moved home. You know, I moved home to do it. I got rid of my rent, I got rid of all those expenses.
Yeah.
Just so that, because when you start, you make nothing. You make absolutely nothing. But then over time, you build it, and you just keep snowballing until eventually somebody notices that they have shared or something like that. You just experiment over and over and over again, and whatever gets views, then you're like, okay, I'll try something like that again. All right, dudes. Once again,
all right, man.
Let's get some water, stuff like that.
All right, man.
Later, y'all.
See you next week. That was so cool.